Hi, welcome to ClassPad.net. Today we're just going to take a brief look at how to create histograms. So what I have in front of me is I went and got some data from, if you've never been to this site, the eeps.com.zoo, it's got some fun data. I'll just show you real quick what it is. It's just got a bunch of fun data that is great to use. So I was looking at the roller coaster data. So that's what this represents. So these are 15 different roller coasters from around the country, and this is their top speeds. And I thought it'd be fun just to look at that in the histogram, right? So once you enter, you can enter your data, you can copy and paste it from an Excel spreadsheet. I entered this, so I've got my data. I pulled out my graph sticky, my statistics sticky, and entered my data. And now I'm ready to make a histogram. So I don't need the names, I need the columns of speed. So all I have to do is select the column, and notice I have all my statistical things I can do with it, but we're interested in over here the histogram. So all I have to do is hit histogram, and now I will see my histogram show up here, right? And this is telling me what is being plotted. And so column B, it's going up by the frequency of 1, and I can change the step here if I want. Let's make it 10. So all of this is automatic, right? Another thing you can do, so once you have your graph, you can also come up in here and change your domain, change the way your scale looks, though I'm pretty happy with the way it looks now, so I'm not gonna change that much. So here's my histogram. Very easy. I can work with bin widths. If you look at it, so let's compare data. There's only one speed that is somewhere between 20 and looks like 28, and that's this one right here, the Cobra. So not very many. That's a very slow roller coaster. And then I've got a couple that are between this 30, 40, and 50, right? So I've got 2, so that probably represents this 40 and that 42 there. And here I've got my 1551. So the one that has the highest speed, we've got 3 roller coasters that are somewhere between 60 and 70, and then we've got 3 that are between 80 and 85. So this is just a nice comparison. So most roller coasters, if we just maybe just add up, whoops, and I moved my grasp. But the nice thing with histogram, tells you the frequency up there, and you can easily change it. You can, if you don't like the color of the bars, you can come over here and change them to be a different color. I don't know, let's make them red, those types of things. You could add in your description of what's at the bottom, so you could actually come in here and label your X as the speed and Y is the frequency, right? So lots of things you could do. So that's a really basic intro into how to do histograms. You just need your data. You need to decide what you want to plot, and then you choose histogram in the statistics menu. So have fun exploring that, and we'll see you next time.